Teddy eating? Good. Good, good, good. Take another bite of apple. I'll give you another. Sorry, eat another apple slice and I'll get you another nugget. Oh yeah. No. What? Oh, we didn't get close. The store was the store was closed. But I'll go on now. Amazon. We'll get something for you. Okay. No, I'll do that while you're napping. I'll go online and order, and they'll deliver it to us. They'll bring us the clothes. You ate your apples? All right. Hold on. Rest of what? Of your nuggies? You want Teddy to eat your chicken nuggies for you? Yeah, you and Teddy got one. How's Teddy doing? Does she need another apple slice or chicken nugget? Teddy, another apple slice? Charles, I love you too. You know what? I know you love me even if you don't say it every 2 minutes. I promise you that. I know you love me very much.
I promise you that.
Okay.
But I love you because I do. Because we got a house.
We do have our house.
That's why I love you.
Oh, you love me because we have a house? Not because you have a bunch of chicken nuggies? Okay. Yeah, you can finish your lunch. Or hang out, finish your lunch. I'll talk to these guys real quick. I want to talk to them real quick. Ask them a couple questions, those guys. How's Teddy doing?
Good. He says we're standing at me.
Mm. Yeah,
This is our house.
I think so. I think that is true.